Greetings, I'm Dev the Developer. This lesson covers the main tag. It marks primary content of a page. It has a strict rule about how many times you can use it, and there are specific elements that belong outside of it rather than inside. By the end of this, you will have a clear picture of where main fits into the overall page structure. Now, we have talked about header and footer tags. Those are the parts of a page that repeat everywhere. The site name, the navigation, the copyright line, they travel from page to page with you. The main tag is the opposite of that. It wraps the content that is unique to the page. The article, the product listing, the sign-up form, whatever the page is actually about. The stuff a visitor showed up to see. The core idea, main, is where the unique primary content lives. And on that note, the very first rule, one main per page. Only one. Search engines use it to identify the primary content. Screen readers let users jump directly to it, bypassing navigation and headers. If you have two main tags on a page, that signal breaks down. There is no longer a clear answer to the question, what is this page about? If you find yourself wanting a second main, the content probably belongs on a different page. The second rule is about what does not belong inside the main tag. Site-wide elements stay outside. The page level header tag, the page level footer tag, your site navigation in nav, those repeat across every page of your site. They are not the primary content of any one page, so they live alongside main in the body, not inside it. Article level headers and footers, that's a different story. Those belong inside the articles they describe, wherever those articles happen to live. The same goes for a site-wide aside, a sidebar that appears on every page. It lives alongside main in the body, not inside it. And the rule works in the other direction too. The main tag itself should not be nested inside other semantic containers. Do not put main inside a header or a footer, an article, a section, an aside, or a nav. It belongs directly inside the body, and that is where we will put it. Now, let's put all this together. We have covered the header and footer tags, and now the main tag. Here is what a complete, correctly structured page looks like with all three in place. The structure is exactly right. The header at the top with the site title and navigation links, main below it with the page primary content, and footer on the bottom. The content choices are ambitious, but the structure is correct. Notice that the header, nav, and footer are all siblings of main, not children of it. They're all sitting inside the body together. None of them are nested inside each other. This is the pattern you will use for every page you build. Now that you've seen the main tag in context with other semantic elements, you have everything you need to build a properly structured page skeleton. Open Visual Studio Code, build one from scratch, and put some real content in there. Don't just watch it, do it.